Remine distressed deals. If you'd like to add distressed deals to your business or you already work with distressed deals, Remine can further assist. Under Layers, we can find the Distressed Deal tab. Click on it to further specify your search. You can look under Lis Pendens. This means the property owner has been notified of a claim to their property. You can look under Notice of Default. This means the lender has officially expressed its intention to foreclose the property. Or you can search Notice of Foreclosure Sale or Notice of Trustee Sale. These are both public notices with the date and time and location that a property will foreclose. I'm going to select all so you can see them on the map. I'm going to click on a cluster of properties to further filter my deals. To click Property Information, click to view the property detail page, and right at the top, it'll show you distressed, the document type, in this case Notice of Lis Pendens, when it was recorded, the recorded document number, the case number, the current lender's name, the trustee care of name, the trustee phone number, auction date, trustee name, trustee address, and borrower. This is one of the examples of the Remine Distress layer. Thank you for being a Miami member.